This is the Trek 1 Sports Smartwatch in its AMOLED screened always-on mode with a digital display. Bring it up into its stock watch face, one of many, and you see the high resolution that this particular watch has. When you swipe down, you get a variety of different controls. Do not disturb your overall settings. You got a nice bright flashlight in this one, 650 nits or so. Twist your wrist to see the time. All this stuff is here. This little button lets you activate a 5-minute always on. I mean, really always on, not just the display, but everything will be on. Help me get through the review this way. When I turn that on, it's not going to go off for 5 minutes, giving me time to show you all of the different step count, calories burned, and distance traveled. Last night's sleep time, hours and minutes total, and broken down into the different categories. The continuous heart rate measurements are on here. When you land on it, it'll take an instantaneous measurement and show you where you are in your 24 hours. You can also measure blood oxygen using the red diode, more advanced technology, and get a reading from there. You got temperature, Fahrenheit, centigrade, however you set it up in your area, UV index. This is a great one on this watch. You got extensive weather forecast information and even wind speed, humidity, visibility, rainfall, stress levels. You can set that all up. Ladies, your period cycle information's in here, and you can add more different things to it if you want to. Swipe this way, you get basically your contacts, a music player, and your Siri or OK Google type of a voice. And when you come over here, you get into your app drawer, showing you all your activities, all those different measurements. The center knob will twirl you through it all. It's got a compass in it, a stopwatch in it, timers, and excellent workout activities with an app that integrates with it really nicely. Take a look at the compass when you calibrate it. And there you go. Very snappy, very quick response. Tap here, and now you're going to get into a game you can play or all your different workouts. And again, with 5 different system GPS in this one, 5 ATM, waterproofing, hardened AMOLED screen display, rubberized band, comes with an extra band, the AURAFIT TREK 1. It's a nice smartwatch. Check it out.